Hello, fourth graders. Today, we are working on synonyms and antonyms. You should be on this page, Synonyms and Antonyms Practice, in your Elevate book. If you are not there, please pause the video and find it. Let's read the directions together. Write at least 2 synonyms and antonyms for each of the following words. I'm going to do the first 2 with you, and then you're going to do number 3 and 4 on your own. So pay attention. One really handy tool that can help you when you need to know a synonym or an antonym for a word is the thesaurus. What is a thesaurus? Let's find out.
Learn about, and the last one is the thesaurus. A thesaurus is mainly used for synonyms. Sometimes they can have antonyms. They also tell you the parts of speech, just like a dictionary, and the definitions. They use guide words, and they're in alphabetical order. Here we have an example entry in a thesaurus. The word we're looking at is nice. It tells you the part of speech, it gives you the definition, and even gives you example sentences. But it also tells you other words, which are the ones in blue: pleasant, agreeable, good-natured, delightful, and fantastic, that you can use in place of the word nice. They are synonyms for the word nice.
Okay, now that we know what a thesaurus is, let's go ahead and try it out. We're going to do number 1, fatigued. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use a thesaurus. Up here, you're going to go ahead and create another tab. Then you're going to go ahead and type www.thesaurus, and see how it pops up, .com. Okay, remember our first word? What was it? Fatigue. See how we're going to go ahead and type fatigue in the search bar. Okay, awesome. I can scroll down and see that these are all synonyms for fatigue. Lethargy, weakness, weariness, dullness, okay, burnout, overtiredness, feebleness. These are all synonyms that you could write down on your paper. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, here are the synonyms that I chose to write: overtiredness, weariness, burnout. Remember that a synonym means the same meaning. So what does fatigue mean? Fatigue means being tired. If I've worked really hard in my garden all day and I'm tired, I could say I am fatigued from working in my garden. Let's jump to antonyms. Remember, what's an antonym? It's the opposite. I bet you can think of what the opposite of tired is, but let's go ahead and use our thesaurus anyway. Okay, I'm back at thesaurus.com, and you'll notice that we're right here where it says synonyms for fatigue, and I'm going to scroll down and see if there's antonyms for fatigue. Aha! Right here. Antonyms for fatigue: ability, energy, health, liveliness, strength, vigor, freshness, spirit. Go ahead and pause the video and write down at least 2 words that are antonyms for fatigue. Okay, did you choose the same words that I did? I chose ability, energy, health. This is the opposite of being tired, burned out, worn down. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2, our word is scorching. I bet a lot of you know what scorching means, and you can think of some synonyms or some words that mean the same thing. But let's go ahead and use the thesaurus anyway. So, again, we're going to go to www.thesaurus.com. You're probably already there. I'm going to go ahead and type in scorching. If I scroll down a bit, here's what I see. Synonyms for scorching: blistering, searing, sizzling, fiery, sweltering, burning, hot. You can choose any one of those. Go ahead and pause the video and write down at least 2. Okay, did you choose the same ones that I did? Let's move on to antonyms. Remember that antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. Can you think of a word that's opposite of hot? If you're thinking cold, that's right. Let's go ahead and use our thesaurus to come up with some other words. Okay. Oh, we can scroll down. And right here, here's cold, which we've already done, and there's another antonym, cool. Go ahead and write that down. Cold and cool. I think it didn't say this, but we could even add freezing. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and do number 3 and 4 on your own. Good luck! Go ahead and pause the video, and when you're ready for the answers, hit play. Hey, you should only be watching this if you've completed number 3 and 4 and you're ready for the answers. Do not watch this if you haven't done 3 and 4 on your own, as that's kind of cheating and defeats the purpose of the assignment. Let's go ahead and move on. Here we go. Sorrowful. Some synonyms you could have done are sad, unhappy, very upset, grieving, dejected. Some antonyms you could have done are cheerful, happy, glad, joyful, delighted. This one's an easy one. I bet you didn't even need the thesaurus for that. Let's go to number 4. Synonyms: not pretty, unattractive, awful, grotesque, unpleasant. Antonyms: pretty, beautiful, attractive, lovely. All right, nice job, 4th graders.